Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to add PNG images to a video in CapCut, so you can place logos, stickers, or overlays on your footage easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open CapCut on your device, import the main video you want to edit, and drag it onto the timeline at the bottom, because the timeline is where all clips are arranged and edited in order. Step 2. Click the import button at the top left, choose your PNG file from your device, then drag and drop that PNG onto the timeline above the main video track, since overlays must be placed on a higher layer to appear on the screen. Step 3. Click on the PNG in the preview window, drag its corners to resize it, and move it to your preferred position, because this allows you to control exactly where the image appears in the video frame. Step 4. Drag the edges of the PNG layer on the timeline to adjust how long the image stays visible, which is important for timing the overlay to match specific moments in your video. Step 5. Click the export button at the top right. Choose your preferred resolution and settings. Then save the video so your final project includes the PNG image exactly as placed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.